Hi, Robert. I found your article very informative about video games. Let's see, I started with your first sentence and I just changed one of your verbs to a different verb because you had consecutively used explains and explains. So instead I put informs the reader and just reworded just a little bit of your sentence. Your second sentence, which was your compound sentence, let's see. Violent video games may not cause aggression. I took out a few words that just were unnecessary, like as many think, actually. I just reworded to more likely to cause depression when overplayed. And then I also turned that sentence that was a run-on sentence into two separate sentences. So that gave you a compound sentence. Let's see. So, violent video games can promote social behavior, and exercise games encourage physical activity. It just wasn't so much in one sentence. And then the fourth sentence was really good. I just crossed out one word and added another word. Actually, I crossed out a couple. Just reworded just a little bit. Let's see. Few that were reworded. Your compound sentence I turned into a complex sentence, which was the article is published by Association for Psychological Science, has thorough explanation of the topic, therefore making it a credible and reliable source. As it should probably say, has a thorough explanation of the topic. All right. Nobody's perfect. Let's see. I just crossed out a few words here and just reworded just a little bit to make your information clearer. Let's see, like this one. The article allows the reader to view many sources of information. That was your simple sentence, but it was a very confusing simple sentence. So I just reworded that one. The article has a lot of information how video games can affect a person in a positive manner. And then your last sentence was a run-on sentence. So I also turned that into two separate sentences, and then I gave you a closing sentence, which was video games affect everyone differently, so finding the one that is right for you is important. So instead of having all that in one, it actually helped you make a point about what the whole article was about. But besides that, it was a very good article. Thank you, Robert.